my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today we are talking all about 2 easy vegan lunch ideas that are packed with protein, super delicious, and also quick to make. So we have got one that is my new favorite obsession. It is vegan chickpea tuna melts. They are so good. And then we're also gonna make a delicious Asian quinoa salad, which is full of flavor. It has a tahini dressing, it's got veggies, it's got crunch, it keeps really well in the fridge, it's great for meal prep, and it's super delicious. So if you wanna try either of these recipes, they are linked right down below in the description box for you. And if you are new around here and you enjoy videos like this or healthy videos / recipes just in general, I would love for you to join our community. It's super easy. You can just tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. Otherwise, let's go ahead and dive into today's brand new recipes. All right, so first up we're making our vegan chickpea tuna melt, and you're gonna start by adding a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas into a bowl. Then using a fork, potato masher, or pastry cutter, mash the chickpeas until they resemble kind of a coarse-ish texture. I like to keep some whole, I just like the texture of them. From there, we can just add in the rest of our ingredients. So we have some vegan mayo, as well as some chopped red onion, some capers, a little bit of whole grain mustard, some dulse flakes, which is optional but adds a really nice flavor, some salt and pepper, and then you can just stir that all together until it is combined and mixed in. If you don't want to use mayo, you can also use tahini. I've used tahini as a mayo replacement and it's really yummy. From there, you are going to have your chickpea tuna salad, and we are going to set that aside, and we're going to add our bread directly onto a parchment lined baking sheet. I used gluten-free bread, but you can use any type of bread you want. And then just top each slice of bread with the chickpea tuna salad. Then top each of the pieces of bread with a slice of vegan cheese, any type will do. And then we're gonna pop this in the broiler, and my oven was about 3 to 5 minutes, but you need to keep a really close eye on it because it has the potential to torch. For topping, this is totally optional, but I love to do a slice of avocado and some microgreens. It just adds like a little nice extra stuff, but you definitely don't need to do that. You can just enjoy it as is. I also love tuna melts served with ketchup. Might sound kind of weird, but it's really good, or a side of tomato soup. You really can't go wrong, but this is just such a quick and easy lunch. It is so good, and I know you guys are absolutely going to love it. And then our second easy vegan lunch idea is an Asian quinoa salad. We're going to start by making the dressing. We have tahini as well as some miso paste, some powdered ginger or fresh ginger if you wanted, some Asian hot sauce. I like to do sriracha, as well as the juice of half of a lime. You also could add in a little bit of salt if you don't find the miso salty enough. Then stir this together, and you will notice that the mixture starts to thicken. Just add a splash or 2 of water and just continue to stir until you get a texture that is pourable. You're looking for like a classic dressing texture, so something that you can pour out of this bowl. From there, just set the dressing aside, and we're gonna assemble the salad. So the salad base, of course, is cooked quinoa, and then we'll add in our cabbage, as well as our sliced carrots, some edamame that I thawed, some sliced green onions, some chopped up kimchi, and it also sometimes is delicious with cilantro if you had that, but I didn't have it on hand. And then just top it with your dressing and stir it all together. So this salad is also a really great base if you wanted to jazz it up with even more protein. You could also do some grilled tofu. And those are 2 really easy vegan lunch ideas. I really hope you guys try them because I think you will absolutely love them. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make 2 delicious vegan lunch ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to get the recipes up on the blog. Those are linked right down below in the description box for you. If you have any requests for me, I'm definitely looking for spring ideas. So anything that you're looking for spring, let me know in the comments, because I want to fill up my editorial calendar with recipes and videos that you want to see. So let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions about either of these recipes, you can drop those down below as well. As I said in the beginning, if you are new around here, I would absolutely love for you to join our community here on YouTube. It is super easy to do. All you have to do is tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe, and that will subscribe you. Otherwise, I appreciate you being here and taking time out of your day to watch my videos. It means the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.